If you've ever woken with your mind racing, take a few moments just for yourself. I'm Rhea Rivers, your guide for this journey into inner strength. By the end, you will feel centered, rooted in yourself, and empowered with a calm that radiates from knowing your own value. Take a slow, deep breath in, letting your chest expand naturally. Exhale gently, letting yesterday's doubts fall away. Again, inhale fully, feeling energy rise from the soles of your feet. Exhale softly, releasing tension, leaving space for calm and confidence. Imagine now stepping onto a cliffside path at sunrise. The sky painted with golds, soft pinks, and gentle violets. The air is crisp, full of possibility, and the ground beneath your feet feels firm, solid, unwavering. As you walk forward, a gentle breeze brushes your skin, reminding you that you are alive, capable, and ready to meet the day. A warm amber flame appears beside the path, hovering softly, pulsing in rhythm with your own heartbeat. Move closer, inhaling deeply, and exhale as its warmth fills your chest, spreading confidence through every muscle, every thought. This flame embodies your inner strength, the quiet, unwavering power that has always been within you, waiting to guide your steps and steady your mind. Breathe in deeply, and notice the flame brighten with your inhale, acknowledging the courage you carry, even on uncertain mornings. Exhale slowly, letting its glow align with your own energy, reminding you that your presence is enough, exactly as you are. Walk forward now, the flame floating beside you, illuminating your path with steady, gentle light. Each step is intentional, each breath a reminder of your resilience. Pause here and inhale slowly. Exhale softly. I stand in the quiet strength that has always been mine. Every breath fills me with clarity, courage, and unshakable confidence. I trust myself, I honor myself, and I move forward with grace and purpose. The path curves to a high vantage point, and below, the valley stretches wide, bathed in the soft golden light of sunrise. The flame merges with the sun's first rays, connecting your confidence to the world around you. Take a long inhale, feeling this strength anchor in your chest, and exhale slowly. The morning breeze stirs again, and you feel a lightness in your step, a quiet but unshakable certainty in your heart. Take one last slow breath in, and exhale fully, grounded in the knowledge that today you move forward with strength, with calm, and with radiant, unwavering confidence. Open your eyes when you feel ready, carrying this centered, grounded confidence into your morning. Subscribe and join the R&R Story Meditation community for more immersive, restorative meditations.